Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the best way to convert your SPayLater balance to ShopeePay in 2025. Quick, easy, and safe. First, understand that SPayLater and Shopee are two separate wallets within the Shopee ecosystem, and directly transferring money between isn't officially supported. But here's the base workaround. Use your SPayLater balance to pay for an order on Shopee, then ask seller to refund you via ShopeePay. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by selecting products you want to buy on Shopee and add them to your cart. At the checkout, choose SPayLater as your payment method and complete the purchase. Once the order is confirmed, contact the seller through Shopee chat and ask if they can refer you through Shopee after receiving the payment. If the seller agrees once the order is delivered or cancelled, depending on your agreement, they will send the refund directly to your Shopee wallet. This way, you efficiently money move from SPayLater to Shopee. Keep in mind, this depends on the seller cooperation, so always communicate clearly and check the seller ratings to avoid issues. And that's how you convert SPayLater to ShopeePay in the best possible way for 2025. If this helps you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions below. See you in the next one.